My favorite book. First, my favorite book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And it's a real memorable story. I admire the character Charlie because he's kind, brave, and never gives up. And who does not love a book about chocolate? Next, this book is so fun to explore. I feel curious about every detail of Willy Wonka's factory. The chocolate river, the candy trees, and the rooms full of surprises. It's like taking a wild ride through a candy dream. Finally, this story is so enjoyable because it's full of silly characters and exciting moments. Every time I read it, I laugh and I wish I could jump right into the book. This book is memorable because it's as sweet as chocolate and twice as fun.